2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 lineup. First look, 9 fast facts, 2 models. Aprilia has pulled the wraps off its 2025 Tuono V4 lineup, bringing thrilling updates to its flagship hyper-naked machine. With 2 distinct models and 9 key changes, the 2025 Tuono V4 family is sharper, smarter, and more capable than ever. Here's your first look at what's new. 1. 2 models for different missions. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 lineup consists of the Tuono V4 and the more touring-oriented Tuono V4 Factory. The standard V4 is aimed at street riders who want aggressive performance with everyday comfort, while the factory version ups the ante with track-focused hardware and premium components. 2. Updated 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine. Aprilia keeps its legendary 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine but refines its mapping for even smoother power delivery. Riders can expect around 175 horsepower and 89 lb-ft of torque, with a more linear response across the rev range, making it both exhilarating and manageable. 3. Revised chassis geometry. The 2025 Tuono V4 benefits from subtle tweaks to its aluminum twin-spar frame, resulting in improved agility and mid-corner stability. These changes enhance both street confidence and track precision. For semi-active suspension on the factory model, a big highlight is the adoption of a lean Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension on the Tuono V4 Factory. This system continuously adjusts damping on the fly, offering optimum performance whether you're attacking corners or cruising on highways. 5. Advanced Electronics Suite. Aprilia has upgraded its APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, system, which includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking adjustments. The electronics package is now governed by a faster, more powerful ECU for sharper intervention. 6. New 5-inch TFT display. Both models feature a redesigned 5-inch TFT display with better resolution and a simplified user interface. Riders can easily navigate settings, and smartphone connectivity is available through the Aprilia MIA system. 7. Improved ergonomics. The seat has been reshaped for better long-distance comfort, and the handlebars are slightly wider for improved leverage. Aprilia has also fine-tuned foot peg positioning to reduce fatigue during spirited rides. 8. Aerodynamic refinements. Winglets integrated into the front fairing not only add visual drama but also improve high-speed stability. These changes, inspired by Aprilia's racing success, help keep the front end planted during aggressive acceleration. 9. Competitive pricing and availability. Aprilia is keeping the Tuono V4 lineup competitively priced, with the standard version expected to start around $16,000 and the factory model closer to $19,000. Both versions will arrive at dealerships in early fall 2025. With these comprehensive updates, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 lineup solidifies its place among the elite in the hyper-naked segment. Whether you're a street rider or a track day warrior, there's a Tuono V4 built to deliver the raw excitement and technical sophistication that riders crave.